What's up, guys? You know, say it's a boy Nathan, and they are back with the next promotion, people. You see me? I want to go over to Haunted, I can't say that word, guys. You see me? Haunted, Creepy Jamaica channel. Please, me and beg you, guys, go over there, like, share, and comment, say CECE and Nathan send on you. See me, guys? Please, me and beg you, go over there, go support him. He must have a really creepy story over there, so. About Jamaica, guys, one that really want to know about the past and them thing, the ancestors and things like those. So go over the people, but support him, as me support him and make him know say we send him over this. So looks like we can win. Don't win.
Guys, think about CECE them to
me. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What's up, guys?
You don't know, say it's your boy Nathan.
And your girl CECE.
And a boy OJ.
Yeah, people, I don't see title like this one. No, say no there with
Food time,
yeah,
food
guys,
time.
we have a food challenge. We just done food. So we just decided so we're gonna do that video. You see me?
And
See
today
who are the craveness? Out
Yeah.
of the three are we?
today
You
we
know,
prepare
Me know say me
bean and
nah win.
saltfish, dumpling and pumpkin.
Me know say me nah
Feel like
win
CECE
still.
are gonna win that one, you know.
No, what's up?
Yeah.
I
Harry,
feel
you
like-
want to come in a competition, Harry?
I feel like CECE are win that
5
one.
flour,
guys.
OJ, I eat.
Yeah, people,
No, five
here
dumpling
how
and
it go now.
dumpling.
Him have 5, she have 4, and me have 4, you see me? So
Yeah.
who are gonna shell it down and who are gonna win? If you win with the 5, then you're really dangerous.
They're really dangerous for you if you win with the 5.
Yeah.
I feel like
So,
I win CECE.
People
Me now
remember
win
to
and
like,
later I win.
Guys,
like,
yes,
share,
friends.
comment, and subscribe. Remember.
Guys, if you're on CECE eat dumpling, she put one dumpling at a time in her mouth. Yeah? She has to be chew it, she just swallow like me. I wonder
One
what
Cut
to do
and
that.
swallow.
You see me?
No?
Yeah, people remember to like, share, comment,
And
subscribe.
subscribe.
Watch the ads them. You see me, guys? Remember
guys.
to go over to your boy channel. Go subscribe. The first link in the description. Yeah.
Go over the like, share, comment,
Go over
and
CECE
subscribe.
channel. Yeah, guys. And go over the channel here, the next channel with the
Turn on the
description.
post notification bell so whenever we post another video,
You
you
will be
guys will be
notified.
notified.
Yeah.
Give
Yeah.
this video awesome thumbs up, share it, and you know, yeah.
Yeah, hello.
So
And same
we'll
thing
just
when
get
I
right
say-
into the
Like
video.
same thing when me say yes, you cut me for
Yeah,
saying
a food time.
you know one different to you.
Wow.
Yeah, move like judge.
3
So we are
countdown.
getting into-
1, 2,
Tell her watch it.
Ready?
Yeah, but count down.
Kalishala eat already.
Ain't ready. Don't eat. I will do that. Are you and you're too weak. How much out of 10?
A chef, yeah.
How much out of 10?
I know I have to bless the food and shoot the chef.
How much out
Do
of
it,
10?
man. Much out of 10?
Yeah.
But I'm not taste the food yet.
Alright, taste it. I'm not for there saying simple as just eating out
If
there.
the Mars.
Yeah, I feel it.
I see too much I give him out of 10. We dumpling them.
Why you take so long?
I'm not eating it.
The man asked you one question. Answer no man, boy. Yeah,
9.
The one to one, what happened to the next one?
10 out of 10.
Sure, they don't think
Alright,
about
guys.
this.
You dumpling them soft. Dumpling are supposed to have break out teeth like dry up cement. You see
Yeah,
me?
what do we do?
Yeah, dumpling for soft and nice. And that happened by when I look about the door. You know, so I race doing about me, you know?
No man, go and talk
So
to
I'm
them.
fully confident. I will just put 2 dumplings in my mouth one time and take the lead from nearby watching it.
Yeah, I lose. So nice. No, no, nice.
You can just eat it.
No way, I'm fine. Thank you.
People when me cook this, see, she are dead.
I'm not dead. So
Me
I'm dead
just
already.
biscuits, man. You got to see about chef, man.
Shut up. Stop watching man. See if a man come past me.
Who don't bring them up?
Man, I come base, you know. Man, I pour a little bit, not one good piece.
Don't like to waste my food and I come in and taste it.
Ain't nice.
Ain't it nice? It's all done fast.
Okay.
People not good at one of the juice, eh? You can't eat no juice and not eat. What? Can't drink no juice and
You
tired.
can't, you
Why
know,
you do it, Janko? Remember to like the video. Them no ready to this. And he's taking the lead. 2 floors to go. Harry, nobody know. Harry, you're not here. Come say hi to the camera. Come. Don't hold it to them, man. That's it. Tell them, I will to them. I will to them. Right. Guys, this is my niece. She's so very fun.
Guys, him get niece and not in a niece, and I wonder where him depend.
It's so mad,
He's gonna fire blank.
I ain't gonna like it.
CECE ain't gonna fire blank, guys.
Yeah, me now bust me a shot off my target. I'm for lick the target. I'm
So
lick
you
the
feel-
target.
every minute you miss.
I'm not to shoot the target yet.
Yeah, wait on.
Guys, you know by the looks of it, me can win. Don't win.
Guys, tell you about CECE them.
1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of flour and 1. Me and I the same amount, you know.
Mm-mm.
Hey, love my food, man. Hey, love my food. Stop. You know that's us me and who else to do.
Look how much to
Stop, no. Can you say stop? Stop, no.
5 to 5 minutes, no?
Stop, no, man. Only 3 pieces to go. I'll do that little boys.
You want to see me some pasta and 2 dumplings in there?
Try. Never eat this, but when you cook up, you're dead in the jar. You know what?
Guys, she a travel like gunshot. You know what mash me up? Biscuit and the cheese crunches I'm just eat.
And you go drink pint.
When you race on them thing, then man, you have to empty out the race. Plate up.
No.
The pumpkin then I done CECE.
You're too wicked.
Look how much step on the pumpkin.
I mean,
You have to swallow first. You think I don't need to food in your mouth?
no for yourself. Me done.
Because you just want to swallow them big four there. Jesus Christ!
Are we?
Swallow them big four there.
I sweat me I said. Guys, CECE win. I tell them, it come like say I can see the future, don't I know, you know.
I'm sorry, but you're too late.
Come to think of it, you know.
Me no craving nobody with
Oh,
it.
God. A four. Yo. You're the only woman in a yard eat four dumplings. No. Kadisha eat all the four dumplings before me, you know, Harry? Where you want more food for? No, left later.
Later. Oh.
People CECE is so greedy and fish.
The guys, gonna like the entertainment now. Subscribe, share, leave a comment.
Yeah, guys, turn on post
Yeah,
notification
just pump
bell.
the comment section. You understand me?
Yeah, guys, as you can see, I'm the winner.
I'm here the winner. Look,
No,
look over the
me
list.
first.
Look
Yes,
on the
I
plate.
mean, me
Look on
first,
the big piece of
Nathan
something in our
second, Oswin last. So I'm the winner today. I'm sorry. So guys, please remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Go over to OJ channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Smash that like button. Turn on the post notification bell and add other link in the description. Just do the same, guys. I don't know what to say. But you're the winner. Some boy, bad boy.
boy.
Me no want 40 see nothing.
Oh,
So,
40.
guys.
Yeah.